Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a microwave edit in my style import your clips and start by pre-composing each one clip one by one. Now add an adjustment layer on top of your first clip. And apply the Twixtor Pro effect. Inside Twixtor, uncheck the in FPS is out FPS option. You can check this by going into the project panel. After that, animate the speed. Set the speed to 200 at the start. And in the middle, add 0. And at the end, set it around 150. This creates smooth microwave style edit. To make it smoother, select all keyframes and press F9 to erase them and adjust the graph to match the style I'm using. Next, add another effect called Curls. Set the Z distance value to 1 at the start, 0.7 in the middle, and back to 1 and the end. Again, these are all the keyframes and adjust the graph. If you want to speed up your workflow, you can duplicate layers by pressing Ctrl+T on your keyboard, and when adjusting keyframes along with your clip, hold Alt, Alt and drag so that timing shifts without ruining your graph. Now repeat this process for every clip. Just duplicate your adjustment layers and apply the same setup. For transitions, add another adjustment layer. And create by 10 frames at the end of the first clip and 10 frames at the start of the next clip. Then apply the S_shake effect. Set frequency to 5 and amplitude to 0.5 in the middle of the clip. Keep both frequency and amplitude at 0 at the start and also in the end. Please use these keyframes as well. Finally, add BCC Lens Blur OBS. Set gamma to 900 and iris to 20. In the starting and end, add the iris value to 0. Use those keyframes too and apply the same graph style. You can also duplicate this adjustment layer with Ctrl+T on your keyboard and adjust it. You can also duplicate this adjustment layer with Ctrl+T and adjust it. You can also duplicate this adjustment layer with Ctrl+T and adjust it across your timeline whatever needed. And that's it, your microwave edit is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and comment. If you want any other tutorials, just drop a comment or join my Discord. I try to reply to as many messages as I can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.